everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve uh, a little bit complicated question for L'Hopital's rule. In my previous video, I have defined the L'Hopital's rule and I solved some basic example for your understanding, and I discussed the rule, its limits, and when to apply and where to apply. So if you haven't watched that video, please go to see that video and you will understand more, and then you can come and practice with me with this problem. So I'm going to use L'Hopital's rule in this video to in this question to solve this limit. So this is an undetermined limit. So how this is undetermined limit? If I put the value of x equal to 0 in this function, so if it's give me the form of 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, then this is undetermined limit. Okay, let's check. So if I put the value of x is equal to 0 in the above function, so what it give me? So it will give me 1 minus 0 square over 2 into 0 log of 1 over 1. So is 1 over 0 log of 1 is 0, which is 0 over 0. So undetermined form because it's giving me 0 over 0. So now we use L'Hopital's rule to solve this same problem, and we will get an answer. So our limit x goes to 0, 1 minus x square over 2x log of 1 plus x. So it's this rule states that you have to take the derivative of numerator and denominator separately and then apply the limit. So for this function, the numerator is 1 minus x square ln of 1 plus x minus x. So this is numerator. I will represent numerator with n, and 2x is denominator, which is represented by d. So I have to take the derivative with respect to x, both numerator and denominator separately. So first take the derivative of numerator. So d by dx of 1 minus x square log of 1 plus x 1 minus x. So for this we have to use the product rule. So the product rule states that I'll have to take the derivative of a and leave the b as it is, plus the derivative of b and leave a as it is. So the derivative of this 1 minus x square is minus 2x log of 1 plus x over 1 minus x. Okay, plus this thing will come as this, and the derivative of log of d by dx of log of 1 plus x over 1 minus x. So next step I will solve this derivative. It will be minus 2x 1 minus x plus x square. So you know the derivative of log is 1 over x. So simplifying this, I will get 1 over 1 plus x over 1 minus x. Now derivative of without the log. So without log is 1 plus x over 1 minus x. So it will be the quotient rule. I will use quotient rule, which is 1 minus x square and 1 minus x, and the derivative of 1 plus x, which is 1 minus 1 plus x, 1 plus x, and derivative of this thing, which is minus 1, so it is minus 1. So again simplifying this, plus 1 minus x square dot, the dot means is multiplying with this term, which is 1 minus x. So here 1 minus x is dividing, it will come above, and then 1 plus x dot 1 minus x plus this minus will become multiply with this minus and will become plus, and 1 plus x, okay, divided by 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x will be cancelled with this 1 minus x, and so it will become, and this minus x cancel with this plus x, this will be equal to 2 over 1 minus x 1 plus x. So the derivative of numerator term is this, and the derivative of denominator term, which is 2x, so the derivative of denominator is what? 2, because derivative of 2x is 2. Now my function will become limit x goes to 0, the derivative of numerator is 2 over 1 minus x 1 plus x over 2. So if I put the, now I can put the limit x equal to 0. So if I put x equal to 0, this will become 0, this is 0, and this is will left with 1 and 1. So it will be limit, okay, so I already put the limit, now it will be equal to 2 over 2, which is 1. So that is my final answer. Thank you.